Mm. Well, hello, YouTube, and all my subscribers, families, and friends. Boy, just got off the phone. Well, just before I ate, and I just finished eating. Got to talk to a friend. Her husband was one of my dear friends. He's been gone now about a year and a half now. Yeah, we got to talk for a bit. I finally was able to get her phone number from another friend of ours and get in touch. And I got, she's supposed to be sending me a phone number for her boy. Yeah. I used to talk with him when I worked back on a crawfish farm in East Texas. And my friend and his wife, they were good people. And I brought back a lot of memories. Got to talking about the last time I actually got to go fishing. I miss that. And she was telling me how my friend's back was causing him a lot of problems in later years. You know, he's 80-something, so he was up there. And riding around on that boat was getting to be rough. But it is what it is. Anyway, this is William Williams, Philippines, and it is about 1 o'clock on Monday, the 18th of November, 2024. Oh, yeah. Got a good full belly. That's the important part of thing, of life. We need to go out and make memories and have friends so that we can. I don't have a lot of friends, but I do have, with the friends that I do have, a lot of good memories. I've been kind of blessed with good friends, but I don't just run into them. So it's something that takes work and time investment. Get to know them get to know you, and grow. Yeah. Anyway, I got to do that and had to run over to the pharmacy and get the other bottle of something that they didn't have the 90-day supply for, so I had to go get the third bottle of my 90-day supply. So, yay. Because, hey, getting everything in one run, yeah, we can't have that. That would be like easy or simple or something. I got a stray hair tickling my nose. I'm going to have to go trim that. Actually, I'm thinking I might need to trim all of it back. Yeah. Part of me wants to let this here part grow for a bit. And, yeah, because it is what it is. And it's getting cold. Being able to have a little insulation up there would be a good thing, but don't have a lot of insulation up there as it is, even with it being there. It's got some thin spot up there. It's okay. I'm all right with it. And yeah. But yes, tried to get in touch with my niece and nephew and couldn't get through to them. Life goes on. Gonna be trying to go over on Wednesday and move a gun case and farm out another one of my babies. So yeah, we got to talking to my friend about that too. How she had to farm out a bunch of my friends, her husband's guns when he passed, and how she didn't want to face Christmas there at the house by herself. Well, first year without, so she went to family and friends. Wasn't at home because home was where all those memories were. Yeah. It is what it is. We want the memories. Sometimes they can be painful. Sometimes even joyful ones can be painful when the person's not there anymore. I got to spend about, 25 minutes talking with her. And that was good. I really enjoyed it. I'm going to have to send her a text and tell her thanks for talking. Because, well, she's good people, and so was he. And, yeah. Celebrate a little of the memories of a good friend. Problem is, I got another one that's, seems to be holding on. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, yeah. Was looking at a little tripod for my camera. A little bitty short one. Because my other little short one ain't no more. It broke down. And I'm wanting to get one that is a little more strong and stable than that one. And I'm trying not to spend too much money. But having a little tripod for this thing would be nice. Not having it keeps me from setting my camera up and, taking pictures of the morning of the sunrises. I don't just want to set the camera down on the hood and, have it shaking around there that way. A little rubber feed on the end of a leg can be kind of nice to not scratch up a paint job. Don't get me wrong, my paint job ain't that nice, but yeah, don't need to add any more scratches to it. Yeah, it is what it is. Oh, I am full. They have a deal at the grocery store where my pharmacy is at, and on Mondays you can get 10 the big legs, the jumbo legs, for $6. So it's 60 cents each. And yeah, that's a good price. So I ate me a bunch of chicken legs. Still have a few to go for tomorrow. That was something I was mentioning to somebody, If people eat chicken just once a week, and say one chicken feeds 7 people, that means basically once a week we're going through 1 billion chickens. Probably higher than that because a lot more people eat more than once a week. But yeah, And, talking about chickens, I did that with my friend because, well, he had some and she's maintaining them and as letting them, die off as they grow old. She doesn't just want to farm them out. It's a memory. And that brought me back to a memory of one that I had that was a good rooster. That was one that was a cross between a Cornish meat bird and a Rhode Island red rooster. And it turned out orange. I don't know why. But it turned out to be a very good, large chicken. And a very, good tending to the hens rooster. He was a bit tough. He got attacked by a couple of young roosters that were horrible roosters. So I ended up having one good old rooster that was tough and two young roosters that were, bad roosters. But they were tasty too. Yeah. But yeah, they ganged up and killed my good rooster. And he used to protect the hens and would always make sure that when I came out there and threw extra food down, the good stuff, worms or, this, that, or the other, he'd always make sure that the hens got over there. He'd get some too, but he'd always make sure that the hens got over there and got some. And he was good about, protecting the hens. Even against my dogs, which were not a threat. But he'd show bow up on them in a heartbeat. Because he had that, I'm protecting my girls. That's what his job was. He was good at it. Took care of them real good. The two young roosters were too stupid to do anything like that. That's why they didn't last long after he was gone. But I did end up with one that was about 2 months, almost 3 months younger than those two were. Some out of another batch. He turned out to be a good one too. I think I named him Stew 2. Naming. I once had a little snake that, I was trying to figure out where I was going to put him and try to figure out what I was going to do with this snake in the way of a living quarters. And my sister suggested I throw him in with her, great big albino Burmese python. The 8-foot plus big. And I said, Goliath would just eat him too easy. And my snake ended up being named Too Easy. Strange wandering thoughts as to naming of things. Well, I don't know about you, but eventually I'd like to, when I do find a place, I'd like to have some chickens again. Also want to have a garden again. Kind of missed it this year, and I'm going to really miss not having my peppers. And from what I understand, you have to go through a whole bunch of this, that, and the other to have seeds come in, and I'm not going to fight the system to sneak them in and get in trouble. So, because I understand the problems of transferring this disease or that disease by spreading seed. especially to an area that's all by itself out there in the lonesome. You don't need to introduce bad stuff over there. So that'll be something I'll pick up over there. Is when I get over there, I'll have to find some seeds and grow me some peppers. Because I like peppers. I like spicy stuff. And I'd rather burn myself, eating them something spicy than suffer something bland. Don't get me wrong, I can eat stuff that's bland too if it's supposed to be. But I actually like spicy stuff. And I have sat there and eaten stuff that just, burning me going in, making my eyes tear up and run, my nose just flowing, and pay for it the next day when it exited. Because I like stuff that hot. Needless to say, I am going to have to get around to having me some peppers over there. Peppers are easy to grow. Tomatoes are too. Anyway. Having a bit of a memory lane day. Trying to talk with friends and family. And that's an important thing. So yeah, I need to do more of it. I really do. That's part of the reason I'm trying to go to the Philippines. Make some new friends. And not drag it out. Not make it take 5 years before I say somebody's a friend. I don't know. I think that's something I do need to work on and get better at. Accepting people saying, hello, my friend, will be part of this. Because like I say, it takes me a while usually. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed day. I hope your week is going to be an easy one for you. And I hope it's got a lot of good food and friend and family. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. Remember your friends. Remember your family. And hey, make some new ones. Anyway, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button thingy. I've got 213 of you out there subscribed. And the more of you that watch, the better it is. The more of you that comment, the more folks I get to talk to. And yeah, there's a bunch of them out there that I haven't heard from in a while, so please get back with me. I like commenting and responding to them. Anyway, I'm Fish, and Fish is out. Later blessings. Bye-bye.